Hello everyone and welcome to episode 70 something, I think it's 78 of the castle. Now we have proper defences. I found a random fence that washed up on the beach. I've crafted 2 bows from random driftwood and some shoelaces. I have a prototype machine gun Ballista with medium range and terrible reload time, but we'll work on that with the next round. And I have this dodgy as Mad Max shield that I made out of some plywood that washed up on the beach, and a random piece of stick that I found at the top of Mount Maunganui. And that's got it. This is our little palisade defense for guarding the castle from this angle. And now we'll head over to the castle and do some work. Look at this thing. It was a one-day build and I'm happy with it, even though it didn't turn out perfect. There's a bolt in here. You can sort of see inside here, and the string latches over the little knock there, and it knocks itself, and then you use my grandma's broomstick to pull it back, and then it goes whoomph, and this little pointy stabby thing gets launched in the general direction of wherever it's pointed. And its support beam, who's got the money or the time to build a tripod? This is just a random giant crowbar that I found, and it seems to do perfectly fine. I didn't actually mean for this shield to have this many nails sticking out of it, but we got a bonus thorns enchantment just by accident. And here's what it looks like from the front. Cameraman Chris has got me wearing a wire. We're going to bust Fat Tony. No, I'm just kidding.
You never know.
Tony isn't watching. No, he won't watch this.
Oh, it's
I
really...
die every few minutes.
Oh gosh.
Even with the good proper rechargeable one, it still dies a lot faster.
That does a decent job.
These are amazing.
Yeah.
They last like ages. Or all that I need for.
Yeah.
Cameraman Chris testing to see if cameraman Chris can hear the audio.
I can.
Excellent. I'm using a reflect filter, but it's just the clearness of the font.
I will build a castle in the water, tall and wide. Its walls will shimmer where the stars collide. A moat of whispers, a drawbridge that crosses over time. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and we'll toll the bell. You'll face the stampede, no time to yell. Trampled by legions of my horses from the depths of hell. The tide will guard it with a jealous hand. Every stone placed by my command. A fortress rising from the drowning sand. Cursed are they who try to stop my clan. Step too close, hear the thunders cry. The sky will split and the sea will die. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and toll the bell. You'll face the mortars and sulfur rain. No time to yell, you'll be engulfed by the pain. Horses made of shadows and dancing in the flames, charging through the water. If you try to bring me shame, help me out and be my friend, and you will be just fine. But if you try to bring me down, my legions might rip out your spine. Golden sunlight, soft and warm. Birds of the air around me swarm. Shells of white and glistening creams. You'll find me watching in your dreams. The sky is tearing at its seams, punching stones with a fist so violent. When I build, even thunder stays silent. Sticks, stones, sand, shells, and feathers. Snap my fingers and I change the weather. Golden sun bathes my tower, every minute gaining power. Paths I trek and gather flowers. Hey, 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 yo, ho, ho. And a pile of shells. Adjust my feathers and ring the bells. Hey, 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 yo, ho, ho. And a pile of shells. Adjust my feathers and ring the bells. Hey, 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 yo, ho, ho. And a pile of shells. Cross me, you cross heaven and hell.
Anyway, thank you for watching and have an excellent day. And would you look at those clouds? Those are some beautiful looking Simpsons cartoon grade clouds. Lovely day for